Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Shakuntala with another video on What the Fit. So today I have a very simple soup recipe which is corn and spinach soup with a bunch of protein in it with paneer and cheddar cheese. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Let's begin adding a tablespoon of oil and half an onion chopped finely. Now saute the onion until it's brown in color. I'm adding 1 cup sweet corn kernels and mix it until the kernels turn brown. In a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and run the mixture thoroughly. Now I'm adding 1 cup of finely chopped paneer and again giving it a good mix. Now add in 1 cup of spinach finely chopped and give a good mix again. Add in 4 peppercorns and half a tablespoon of ajinomoto and stir well unless it gets mixed properly. Now I am adding 1 glass of rice water and cook until you see the boils coming out. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of boiled rice to give thickness to the soup. Now run it through again and let it cook. To give some extra flavor, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cheddar cheese. This is totally optional. Now add in another pinch of salt and half a tablespoon of chilli powder. Mix it well and let it come to a boil. To get more soupy consistency, add water according to your requirement. Now drizzle some mixed herbs and chili flakes according to your taste and give it again a mix. Now add in a pinch of pepper powder and give a mix again. Add some lemon juice. This is optional, but then it tastes really good. Now turn off the flame and drizzle some coriander leaves. Let's begin making soup toast. For that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee and add bread cubes. Fry them until they are golden brown on all the sides. So that's how we should end up with. Now serve the soup hot with the bread toast on it and enjoy. It looks gorgeous, isn't it? If you like this video, do let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get a new updated video on diet recipe. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy.